everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eva and this is Busy Mummy Unboxing. This is snack surprise for the month of March. But before I unbox it, I just want to say I do have a new microphone because some people were saying the sound wasn't so good. So I'm just hoping it works and it doesn't sound like really fuzzy or anything. Here it is. Hi! Okay, so hopefully the sound will be much better on this one. So snack surprise is a box that's delivered every month and there's 3 options. This is the medium option. I pay about, I think it's about £14 for this, and I get 10 items a month from a different country every month. So I'm not too sure what country it is this month. I haven't looked. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Ooh. Oh, we've got Australia, which is pretty exciting. So you always get a booklet like this which tells you some facts about the country and also what's in your box. If you choose the next box up, you get about 20 items. I get 10 in mine, and the smaller box gets about, I think it's like about 5 or 6. They're all there. Okay, so let's get on and see what's inside. There we go. Okay, so we've got some Twisties cheese, which I assume are crisps. Yep, cheese flavoured corn and rice snack that appeal to Aussies for over 60 years, and they also come in a chicken flavour. Okay, so got some pizza shapes, popular line delicious oven baked crackers by Arnott's in barbecue or pizza flavour. We've got some French fries. I think they pretty much speak for themselves. Yep, Australia's original crunchy potato straw stack. Ooh. We've got a Zappo Bar, which is grape. Known for its explosive flavour, fruit chews leave you with a sour punch of grape that makes your mouth water. Interesting. We have Cherry Ripe. Oh, this sounds good. What's this one? Cherry Ripe, Australia's oldest chocolate bar, consisting of cherries, coconut, coated with dark chocolate. Sounds delicious. Let's have a look open this one. So it's got like cherry in the middle. That's like pretty yummy. Okay, we've got Cadbury's Dream. I think you can get these over here. In fact, I'm sure I've seen them over here. Might be different though. It's creamy, delicious, smooth, melt in your mouth. Real white chocolate, which contains cocoa butter. A real throwback. Oh wow. Some Allen's Retro Party Mix sweets are. Says create smiles for the whole family as you open the bag at Allen's. It's a perfect mix with a favourite for everyone. And there's lots in that's quite heavy. We've got a drink. Creaming soda. Let's open it up. These cans seem a lot bigger than ours. That is fun. That is refreshing. Where am I going to pour it? I'll put it over there. And then we've got a Tim Tam bar. What did it say about Tim Tam? Tim Tam, 2 malted biscuits separated by a light chocolate cream filling and coated in a thin layer of textured chocolate. We've got a Wagon Wheel original. Oh no. A wonderful chocolate coated combination of marshmallow, jam biscuit. Biscuit is perfect for anyone any age. And then we've got this random sweet. I don't know why it's a random sweet there. Oh, I think it's something to do with a Tim Tam. I think it's just a kind of random sweet. So we've got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for the can, and the also the liqueurs. The sweets are called fantails, chewy caramel pieces with a rich chocolate coating. And you might have like trivia on the wrapper. There's 2 of them, but I don't know. Anyway, that's the whole box. That's Snack Surprise. I am thinking of getting a bigger one, maybe, but it is £10 more, so we'll see. Anyway, this is the Australia box, and I hope you like watching it. I will put the details below if you want one. As always, thank you for watching. Please look out for the rest of my videos, and bye for now.